Kensington Trades College has only one focus: building your career in the trades industry. Our diploma program, called Renovation Contractor, is a hands-on construction program where over 55% of the training is hands-on, learning and working with the tools of the trade. This is what employers seek when they are hiring, so our program will give graduates training to help them jump into their new trades career. Courses for this program are blueprints, renovation tools, project management, and foundations. Then students explore structural framing, drywall, painting, and ceilings. Students learn about flooring, trim, baseboard, and crown molding. Fundamentals are taught for electrical wiring, plumbing, and HVAC. Students put into practice all the previous courses during the thrilling hands-on structural build course, when they use a blueprint to construct a multi-room house interior from the ground up, including a foundation and frame, drywall, paint, and trim. They then add flooring, ceilings, a window and door, and learn how to design stairs and build rafters. Finally, students are ready for demolish and salvaging the materials for the next build. This structural build course is 200 hours in duration, which provides plenty of hands-on experience working with classmates on a multi-room build project. Students also explore how to build their own home renovations, small business, including gaining clients, estimating, and invoicing. Students require CSA-approved work boots, a hard hat, earplugs, dust mask, safety goggles, and knee pads to ensure they are working safely. Plus, the full program includes $750 in tools of the trade, which students use in class every day during the build, and so graduates have the tools they need to get started in their career. Construction is a booming industry, and with the wide variety of hands-on training in this diploma program, students will be able to join the workforce at construction companies, custom home builders, or renovation businesses. They can choose employment as general laborers, or some students might want to focus on a single renovation field, such as becoming a house painter or a trim and crown mold installer. Some graduates will want to concentrate their career on hardwood flooring or tiling. Some will choose to work as structural framers or drywallers. Some entrepreneurial graduates even start their own small business and become self-employed as renovation contractors or subcontractors. Your income in this field starts in the mid-range, and it will increase as you gain experience. The good news is that there is projected to be a continued job growth for construction and renovation for the next 10 years, especially in the Greater Toronto Area and Ontario. This means our graduates will be in real demand. Our collaboration with employers means that we can provide students with opportunities for hands-on experience through internships and employers with early access to enthusiastic and skilled graduates. A career in the trades industry is ideal for anyone seeking stable employment in a growing industry, which also has entrepreneurial opportunities to set your own hours and become your own boss. Kensington Trades College offers small class sizes to provide students with ample hands-on training, working with our instructors who are industry professionals. Our Renovation Contractor program is only 20 weeks, which means you'll earn a diploma and be on the job in less than 5 months, earning a good income. Reach out to an admissions advisor by email or phone to learn about upcoming class schedules, funding, and fees, and to ask which diploma program is right for you. It's time to build your career. Call us today to begin.